Yo, you can call everything right in the market, and sometimes you'll still miss out on a move because of fear and just lack of confluence in the trade. Um, I called out this GU trade that happened earlier today, this morning while I was at work, and I didn't get in the trade because it didn't show me what I needed to see for me to take the trade. So I'm about to show y'all right now. All right, so right now we're in this order block here, which is a 4-hour order block. On Friday, we made this nice move here. Came up, came down, we broke structure here. I'm counting as liquidity now because it reversed. But yeah, we took this liquidity. Price came down here, pushed up, breaking this high, breaking this high, and breaking this high, and closing above all three of those highs, and this one as well. So that's a very strong, bigger structure. We caught this move on Monday, where price came here. We was ready to come down. We came to the 50% of this move here, and now we're below the 50%. As you see on the 1 hour, we broke structure here. Right, we broke structure here, and now there's a fair value gap. Price can come back up to these highs, and if we break this structure in the middle of it, then I definitely think that price is gonna go higher up to here. Because we're in the order block, we're leaving from the order block. I want to see price actually come in and take out these highs long term. That's about 100 pips. So right now I'm just looking on the 15-minute, and I see this is part of the 1 hour fair value gap, which is an inverted fair value gap. But this is the high that it came from. This high down to this low. So I want to see some type of structure before I get in. I'm not getting in right now. I'm waiting until price shows me more. I know we get this bullish candle, but we just came from making a lower low. I need a higher low. Well, wait, I always confuse these. So this is a lower low, lower high. Yeah, I need a higher low. So if price can come, break this, and then come back into this area here, then I can definitely take price up for this would be about 30 pips most likely, or 0.34378 to here is 0.9. Yeah, it's about 30 pips. So that was more than that. It's about 50 pips. I can't count. Oh, and I was from here. I'm looking for price to actually come back down here after breaking it. So we break this structure here and make a higher low, then I'm definitely taking price up. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to take an entry somewhere over here. I don't know what my stop loss will be at this moment, but I'm looking for something like this. A nice little 1 to 2. Take these highs out, and I'll leave a runner because I do expect price to actually come here. I want to see if we can get these 100 pips. But that's my analysis right now. Let's see what price does. Right now it's only 824. 830 is about to hit, and then we'll see after that. All right, so I'm gonna explain what happened here and why I missed out on the trade. So my previous video, the part one of this, I was talking about how price created this low, creating this high, breaking structure here, and then came back down. We caught this move on Monday, and we was coming back down into here. And on the 1 hour, as you see right here, we got that inverted fair value gap, right? Price actually closed above, and I wanted to see price come into this pink area before buying up. But I didn't take the move because it didn't do exactly what I wanted to see, So let me explain right now. So price came from this high and made this low here, right? What I wanted to see was price break this high, this where this X is. I wanted to see price break that high and come back and retest somewhere in this area. But I didn't quite get that. So price did break the high, as you see. Like price came down, created a little bit of structure here, pulled back, and then broke this structure, right? That's why this B is here, because you got to break a structure. And once price, came down here, it broke this high on the 15-minute. What I wanted to see on the 15-minute was for price to do this. I wanted to see price come from here Clearly a broke structure. I wanted to see a clean break of structure, come back down, create that higher low here, and then shoot up and buy. But I didn't get that clean entry, and I wasn't confident enough to get into trade like this. I could have easily, once this broke, I could have easily got in here off the break of structure and took it up. As you see, it kept going up. But I had this order block here because it's a little gap right in this area from this black candle to this blue candle. And then I have it here. So I really wanted it to come into this fair value gap slash this order block right here. The price never did that. So I ended up just missing out on a trade. And this trade went bananas, man. It went exactly 59 pips, man. And that was a beautiful trade that I called out. I didn't get to take it. Um, it is what it is. And then I did catch myself, about to force a trade here, up here, trying to take it back down, but I'm just gonna wait. I got in and then I took my profits like real close to my entry just because I'm not trying to take a foolish trade. I'm trying to be patient and disciplined. And that wasn't a part of my setup. So, I mean, if I do see something nice in this area to take a sell, then I will take a sell down into the 50% of this. But I really want to follow the trend. And the trend is now bullish because we just broke past the previous 1 hour high. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens.